together, put our hands together. We are one, can't divide us.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video is a different kind of video, trying something new. Today's video is my morning routine. On those days when I am headed to the office, I wake up anytime between 5 and 5:30. On this particular day, it was a rough morning. I did not sleep at all. I think I had about 2 to 3 hours of sleep probably. Yeah, it was quite a hectic morning. But yeah, as you can see, I'm making my bed. As soon as I get the strength to get out of my bed, to get out of the covers, I make my bed. I sleep on top of the covers. So all I do is I just fold up the blankets. I wear a lot of blankets, especially during the winter. So I just fold them up. My bed is pretty big and it's quite high. People are always curious to know how I actually managed to make my bed, and yeah, well, now you'll know. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to make my bed. This particular day it took me a little over 10 minutes, but yeah, there we go, we're all done. Super easy. And now let's go get ready. Fast forward, of course, we freshened up, and on this particular day I was really just feeling myself. I put on my favorite dress. I love this pink dress. I feel like it's my lucky dress. And generally I don't do my makeup when I go to work because I just don't like the whole putting on makeup and then having a mask on. It's just annoying. So I keep it simple. I just do my brows and a little bit of foundation. Sometimes I'll wear eyeshadow, not all the time. Put on eyeliner, mascara, and if I do put on a lip color, I just use a matte lipstick because gloss just doesn't make sense. It's gonna rub off anyway. So yeah. And of course, there's always time for some worship music. I absolutely love this song. This is Shall Not Want by Maverick City and Elevation Worship. I absolutely love this song, amongst others. And that's the final look. That is the final look. Fun fact, I wore this exact same outfit on my very first day. And yeah, I just always feel like I can just take over the world when I'm dressed like this. And fun fact, I got a whole lot of compliments on this day. I was smiling and saying thank you left, right, and center. So it was a good day. And of course, now it's time for us to head to work. Yes, I almost fell there. Wow. Shout out to my dad for dropping us off at school and work. We usually drop off my niece first and then drop me off at work. And of course, I'm having my Herbalife shake. Always start my day with my Herbalife shake. I was having the smooth chocolate flavor, and of course I was checking my social media while waiting for everybody to just get out of the house so that we can head out. And morning selfies with my shake because it never happened if you didn't capture it on camera, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.